In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to do cleaning and maintenance on the Bush handheld steam cleaner. Before cleaning the steam cleaner, disconnect it from the main supply and allow it to cool down. Ensure that you empty the water reservoir after each use. To clean the outside of the steam cleaner, use a damp cloth, then wipe it dry. To avoid damaging the steam cleaner, do not use descaler, perfume or detergent to clean the inside of the water tank. To clean the inside of the tank, fill the steam cleaner. Then shake the steam cleaner and empty the tank. Included with your steam cleaner are 2 rubber seals. If you notice that the seal around the nozzle is damaged, gently pull it away and replace it with a new one. The upholstery cloth should be washed separately from other fabrics. We recommend washing the cloth by hand or machine wash on a delicate cycle. When you are not using the steam cleaner, store it in a cool, dry place. Your Bush steam cleaner is now ready to use.